Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use newbie share function on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus device. So, let's start. As you can see, I have no newbie share enabled now, but to find and to enable newbie share, you need to click on this icon and find newbie share in interrupters disponibles. So click on it, click on newbie share, and as you can see, we have newbie share now on our control panel. So now click and hold on newbie share button, and newbie share will be opened. So now click on share more easily with contacts, click agree. Cool. Now just enable newbie share. Here you can change your device name, for example Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So Xiaomi. Okay. Cool. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus device. So click rename. You can change device visibility mode if you want to receive data from not contacts from everyone. You need to use everyone mode. You will be visible for everyone. If you will use contacts mode, you will be visible only for contacts, or you can be hidden. So I suggest use everyone mode. You can change data usage mode, without internet, Wi-Fi only, or data mode. So cool. Now we can send and receive data, files, images, videos using newbie share. So for example, I want to send this image from my OnePlus device, not Xiaomi device, it's OnePlus device, to my Xiaomi device using newbie share, of course. So on your in an Android device, you can just click on share button, then share via newbie share, then click on device newbie share button on your device, click allow, wait a while. On your in other device you will see Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus device. So wait for it. Okay, we can try again. Share. If your device, if your another device can't see your Xiaomi, you can change. You can enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile services and location services. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services. So cool. Now, as you can see, we have here Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus device. Click on it and click accept on your Xiaomi device. So cool. Photo was successfully sent, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.